Oh yeah, it's toasty. Just scrape up the top. Some troubles got out. It happens sometimes. Oh, those look nice. Sand didn't even stick to them, that's neat. There we go. Not much sand stuck to the back either. That usually doesn't happen. Guess today's a lucky day. Oh, there's really nothing to clean off now. Usually sand sticks to it, but there really isn't anything stuck to it. So I guess that'll do it.
Okay, it looks like I finally got this thing recording. I'm just testing out a new camera that I've modified. It's gonna probably appear in the part 2 of the far red. On this camera, I've actually taken out the 700 nanometer filter and replaced it with the 750 nanometer cutoff filter. Obviously it'll make the reds more vibrant, but it'll allow the camera to see far red. Here's a look at the two coins. And both made of copper, as you saw before. Back faces of them. All the details look like they came out nice and sharp. And here again on the front faces. And here's a close-up on one of them. You can see the details are really sharp. In fact, here's the other one. There's the backs on close-up. You can really see the copper crystals too, how the crystal structure the copper formed when it solidified.